All right, so I told you I have 4 recommendations. So the last recommendation, let's go one step further. Again, down top, we want to end inside. We will start outside. That means we need a hook. Otherwise, we can't change sense of direction. And what we do, we will perform as a first lever crossing a hook. Then we will not have a second. We will not have a third lever crossing. And because we only use a hook, we need the additional stripe. Let's have a look at this. And as you can see, I'm reaching this lower area, below area of the lever. Now there's my hook. First I will do it without a strap, so you can see we will have a gap there. So somehow we have to close that gap. And there I use this additional stripe. This actually is with an adhesive, that's better. Make sure that you cover the complete additional stripe in a nice smooth way. And then we can, of course, perform our hook. And this is going to be a really, really nice wrap. And here we have the same advice, of course. If your additional stripe is too long, just cut it off. That's the easy procedure. And then if you roll back, what we do right here, we have a super, super, super clean picture. To be honest, we have a lot of advantages with this technique. Down top, we have downwards, we have an outside, the natural rotation. On the upper section, we have an inside rotation, that's natural as well. It follows your natural load orientation. We just cross it once, so it's not really thick, it's nice and smooth. We need an additional stripe for sure, but we will have a nice picture right here because it's all going in the same direction. So this is really a nice technique. And talking a little bit about this additional stripe, what all these handlebar tape suppliers do, they just cut off one of these a little piece of their stripe, and this is often used as an extra stripe to cover that area if you do not want to recross the section. And I saw one example where they used, I think it was Silka company, and they provided a special piece called butterfly piece for that section. And this is really a good idea because this butterfly piece has the advantage that it has a special design. It's wider, it covers more, and you can use it to cover that section in a nice and easy way. So the disadvantages for the supplier, of course, is you need a special tool for that. It's not just a piece of your tape. You have to produce a separate piece. It makes it much more expensive, of course, but in the end, that's the best way to cover this clamping area.